Hi, I'm Tom Daly, owner of Oasis Shower Doors. We've been in business for over 20 years now, and I want to talk to you about shower door maintenance and how to take care of your suite. The shower door sweep is an important part of your custom shower door. The sweep has a 45-degree roof or angle on it that will shed the water back into the shower stall as opposed to out onto your floor. It attaches at the bottom of the door. It's a compression fit. So it's important to understand, number one, the thickness of your glass. It may be 1/2 inch. It may be 3/8. It might be 1/4 inch. So it's important to measure and understand the thickness of your glass so you can get the right thickness sweep for the bottom of your door. The items that you'll need to change the sweep are simply tape measure, felt tip pen, hacksaw, nail file, pipe cutter, and ammonia-free glass cleaner. Properly removing your sweep is simple. The first thing you want to do is open your door. Now, the sweep is applied on the bottom of your door. It is a compression fit. Therefore, pulling it is a hard thing to do. You want to pull down on your sweep. Pull down and it'll come away from the glass. When you get to the point where it's off the glass and you're at the sill, you can pull now and it should come off for you. Now you can clean your sweep or you replace your sweep. Now that the sweep is off your door, you have two options. You can either A, measure the sweep, or B, measure the bottom of the door. Now that I have my new sweep marked, I'm going to take the PVC pipe cutter and I'm going to line it up on my mark, and I'm simply going to compress the pipe cutter, and you'll see what a nice job this will do in cutting your sweep. This pipe cutter tool that I purchased on Amazon, you get a nice clean cut. No need for the nail file. Another way to cut your sweep to the right length is to use a hacksaw. Now, we have the little burrs on here from the hacksaw, and those are simply removed with a little nail file. You want to get the burrs off and any sharp corners, and you're ready to install your new sweep on your door. So before putting your new sweep that you just cut back onto your door, I recommend that you clean the bottom of the door first. And simply wipe it on the inside. So now that you have prepared your shower door by cleaning it with ammonia-free glass cleaner, get off the residuals, soap scums, you're going to take your newly cut sweep that you measured and cut to the right dimension, and you're going to take that side that has the 45-degree angle that's meant to deflect the water back into the shower stall. You're going to put that on the inside of the door. To apply it to your door, you're going to need to open your door completely. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a compression fit, so therefore we're not going to slide it on. We're going to work it on from the bottom up. And I'm going to align the gasket with the underside of the door. This is a compression fit, so I'll start over here and I compress it on, push it on, very easy. I am going to simply just move this gasket along till I am even with the edge of the door. Now that your new shower door sweep is applied to the bottom of your glass door, since it's new, it's most likely going to be stiff and rigid. What I recommend is that you take your door and open it fully open, and then push your door all the way in and bring it back out. That'll make sure that the underside of the fins are aligned correctly. If for some reason you elect to open your door halfway and attempt to close it, you might find that it gets stuck because the sweep is twisting underneath. So a simple way to fix that is to just simply open your door all the way out and push your door all the way in. You do hear noises. That is a good sound. That means that your sweep is making contact with the sill. So that's good. That's how you replace your sweep on your custom shower enclosure. With proper care and maintenance, that should last you 1 to 2 years. When it's time for a new sweep, simply go to oasisShowerDoors.com and we can mail you a new one. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Follow along for more frameless shower door tips.